Sri Lanka, with its warm Indian Ocean waters and consistent waves, is a paradise for surfers of all levels. From the rolling swells of Weligama, perfect for beginners, to the powerful reef breaks of Arugam Bay that attract professionals from around the world, the island offers diverse surfing experiences year-round. The East Coast shines from April to October, while the South Coast thrives from November to March, ensuring endless surf seasons. Golden beaches, palm-fringed shores, and friendly coastal communities enhance the experience, while surf schools and rentals make the sport accessible to all. Beyond the thrill of riding waves, surfing in Sri Lanka offers a connection to nature, a taste of island culture, and unforgettable moments under tropical skies, says the Indian Ocean Strategic Research Center. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below